Good morning and Jai Gurudev students. Today we will discuss nature of root. We have discussed about the quadratic equation. Now, the roots of the quadratic equation are given by this one quadratic formula. Quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. With the help of this one quadratic formula, we can find the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now, we have to discuss nature of root. What type of root? This one b square minus 4ac. This is known as discriminant. And this discriminant greater than 0, then we get two distinct real roots. One root will be minus b by twice a plus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a. And another minus b by twice a minus b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. That means if discriminant is greater than 0 means b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then two distinct roots are this one and this one we will get. Next, if b square minus 4ac value equal to 0, that one discriminant equal to 0, then x is equal to minus b by twice a plus minus root over 0. Plus minus 0. Why? b square minus 4ac equal to 0 means 0 by twice square root of 0 means 0 and 0 by twice a equal to 0. That's why b minus b by twice a plus minus 0. Therefore, roots are minus b by twice a or minus b by twice a. So, the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are both the roots will be what? Minus b by twice a. And if quadratic equation has two equal roots, in case of, that means this one. And if discriminant, that means b square minus 4ac value is less than 0, means negative value, then there is no real root. Okay? Therefore, no need to find the square root. No need to find this one root if b square minus 4ac less than 0. Do you understand? Therefore, since b square minus 4ac determine whether the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has real roots or not. That means b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant, and this quadratic equation, discriminant of this quadratic equation. So, quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has two distinct real roots if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, two equal roots if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, and third one, no real roots if b square minus 4ac less than 0. That means, do you understand? Nature of the roots, this one quadratic equation, this one quadratic formula. With the help of quadratic formula, we find the roots of the equation, and this one roots are exist if b square minus 4ac greater than equal to 0. And this b square minus 4ac determine the quadratic equation, and ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has real roots or not. And this b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of this quadratic equation. And a quadratic equation has two distinct real roots if b square minus 4ac greater than 0. That means these two real distinct roots. And two equal roots if b square minus 4ac equal to 0. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then x is equal to minus twice a b minus b by twice a plus minus 0, means if we add 0 then also the minus b by twice a, if minus 0 then also minus b by twice a. That means both the roots are minus b by twice a minus b by twice a. And if b square minus 4ac less than 0, then no real roots. these 3 points you have to remember always for nature of the root. That means these 3 points are important. Now exercise 4.4. First one, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation if the real roots exist and find them. Here equations are given and first we have to find the nature of the root. That means discriminant value greater than 0, yeah, equal to 0, yeah, less than 0. Okay, after that we find the roots. First we will take question number 1. Twice x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Here a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to 5. Because we compare with the quadratic equation what? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That's why this one a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3, c equal to 5. Therefore the discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. This one value what will be? The value minus b square means minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a means 2, c means 5. Therefore minus 3 square means plus 9 minus 40. That means this one is good. Discriminant is equal to how much? B square minus 4ac, here minus 31, which is negative. That means less than 0. Since b square minus 4ac is negative, therefore the given, we know that if discriminant value is less than 0, they have no real roots. Therefore the given quadratic equation has no real roots. Next, number 2, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. First we have to see here roots are exist or not. After that we find the roots. Now here if we compare with the quadratic equation, then here a equal to 3, b equal to minus 4 root 3, c equal to 4. Therefore the discriminant is equal to, discriminant means b square minus 4ac. Discriminant 4ac is equal to how much? B means minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a means 3, c means 4. Here 4 minus square means plus, 4 square means 16, 16 root 3 square means 3. Therefore this one 16 into 3 minus this one 4 16, 3, 48. That means this one 48 minus 48, this one equal to 0. If roots are discriminant value equal to 0, then roots are equal. Therefore does the given given quadratic equation has two real roots which are equal. Therefore, here the roots are minus b by twice a and minus b by twice a. Therefore, that is minus b means minus 4 root 3 by 2 into a means 3 and minus 4 root 3 by 2 into 3. Both the roots are equal to minus b by twice a minus b by twice a. Here we can put like this way. This one is equal to plus 4 root 3 by 6. 6 we can write. This one we can. This one 2 into root 3. 3 we can expand like this. 3 root 3 into root 3. And here also this one 4 root 3 and 2 into root 3 into root 3. This one root 3 cancel, and if we cancel by 2 then this one 2. Therefore this one is equal to 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. Thus x is equal to 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. This is the root of this equation.